YouTube SEO search engine optimization marketing is a crucial aspect of any successful YouTube channel strategy. With over 2 billion logged-in monthly users, YouTube is a massive platform where creators and businesses can reach a global audience. However, with the vast amount of content uploaded every minute, it's essential to optimize your videos to ensure they are discoverable and rank higher in search results. Here are key elements of YouTube SEO marketing. Keyword research. Identify relevant keywords that your target audience is likely to search for. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, YouTube's own search suggestions, or third-party tools to find high-traffic keywords related to your content. Video title optimization. Craft compelling and descriptive titles that include your target keywords. Keep it concise, engaging, and relevant to the content. A clear title improves click-through rates and signals to YouTube what your video is about. Description optimization. Write detailed and informative video descriptions. Include relevant keywords naturally and provide additional information about the video. YouTube allows up to 1,000 characters, so use this space wisely to engage your audience and provide context. Tags. Use relevant tags to help YouTube understand the content of your video. Include a mix of broad and specific tags. Analyze competitors' tags and explore suggestions provided by YouTube. Thumbnail optimization. Create eye-catching and high-quality thumbnails. Thumbnails play a crucial role in attracting clicks. Use bright colors, clear images, and text that complements the title. Consistent branding in thumbnails can help build recognition. Video transcript. Upload a transcript of your video. This not only improves accessibility, but also provides YouTube with additional textual content to understand the context and relevance of your video. Engagement metrics. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Higher engagement signals to YouTube that your content is valuable and relevant, potentially boosting your video's ranking. Playlists. Organize your videos into playlists based on themes or topics. Playlists can keep viewers on your channel longer, improving watch time, a critical factor in YouTube's algorithm. Promotion and sharing. Share your videos on other social media platforms, websites, or forums related to your niche. External traffic sources can positively impact your video's performance on YouTube. Consistent upload schedule. Publish videos consistently. Regular uploads can help build an audience and improve your channel's authority in YouTube's algorithm. Audience retention. Create engaging content that keeps viewers watching. Higher watch time and good audience retention contribute significantly to YouTube SEO. Monitor analytics. Regularly analyze YouTube analytics to understand how your videos are performing. Adjust your strategy based on viewer behavior, demographics, and other relevant data. Custom thumbnails. Create custom thumbnails that not only grab attention, but also accurately represent the content. Use large, easy-to-read fonts and high-quality images. Consistency in your thumbnail style helps in building brand recognition. Card and end screen usage. Utilize YouTube's interactive features like cards and end screens to link to other relevant videos or playlists on your channel. This not only improves user engagement, but also encourages longer session durations. Video length and quality. While there's no strict rule on video length, it's essential to maintain viewer interest. Longer videos often perform well if they are engaging throughout. Invest in high-quality production to enhance the overall viewer experience. Create compelling playlists. Build playlists around specific topics or series. This not only enhances the organization of your content, but also encourages binge watching, contributing positively to your channel's performance. Community engagement. Respond to comments on your videos promptly. Encourage discussions and build a community around your content. Higher engagement within the YouTube community can positively impact search rankings. Utilize YouTube Shorts. Take advantage of YouTube Shorts, a platform feature for short-form content. Shorts have their dedicated section on YouTube and can potentially reach a wider audience, especially through the Shorts shelf on the mobile app. Collaborate with other creators. Collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. This can introduce your channel to new audiences and create cross-promotional opportunities, benefiting both parties. Utilize end screen elements. Use end screen elements to direct viewers to other videos, playlists, or your channel homepage. This is an effective way to keep viewers engaged and increase your chances of gaining subscribers. Optimize video file names. Before uploading, ensure your video file is named descriptively and includes relevant keywords. YouTube considers file names when determining video content, so optimize this aspect for better search visibility. Stay informed about algorithm changes. YouTube's algorithm evolves, and staying informed about updates is crucial. Be adaptive to algorithm changes and adjust your strategy accordingly to maintain or improve your video's performance. Create compelling channel art. Customize your channel banner and icon to create a visually appealing brand image. A well-designed channel encourages viewers to explore more content and subscribe. Monitor competition. Keep an eye on your competitors and analyze their strategies. Identify what works well for them and incorporate similar successful elements into your own content and optimization strategy. Utilize YouTube Analytics for keywords. YouTube Analytics provides insights into the search terms viewers use to find your videos. Analyze these keywords and incorporate them into your future video optimization efforts. Remember that successful YouTube SEO marketing is an ongoing process that requires continuous refinement and adaptation. By implementing these advanced strategies, you can further optimize your videos and channel for improved discoverability and audience engagement on YouTube.